In this video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly fix taskbar or the start button is not working in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to navigate at the keyboard, press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together. In that way, you'd be able to open your task manager. Or simply press Ctrl Alt and the Delete key together on your keyboard and select for task manager. In that way, you'd be able to open this one. So here at the Task Manager, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for processes. Once you find it, you'll be able to see the processes here. Please locate for Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running and the Windows processes. So once you find it, you need to make a right click and click on restart. If you have a hard time on finding this Windows Explorer, you can use the search bar here at the top. Search for Explorer and there you can find a result, make a right click and click on restart. Once you click on it, your taskbar as well as your start button would be restarted as well. In that way, it would be fixed. Okay? So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.